Hello guys, sorry for deleting the last few videos because it was missing some information regarding what to do after putting the lips under for 2-3 weeks. Uh, I was also analyzing how I cured my condition. It was not just like putting the lips inside. What I found, what I did afterward was also very important. After basically that's the main cure because so many people have tried my method and failed. I was also thinking like how I got cured and people are not able to get cured. What I came to understand is that EC is it is a psychological disorder for most people. I cannot say all, but many people like me and many who are suffering the constant thought of yes, it is a physical condition. Yes, your lips do get chapped, but the thing is that after basically the cure of the disease is to let go. You have to be like normal people. You don't have to get scared of saliva. What I would recommend is to put 2 weeks your lips under so that the overall chapping and it will be easy for the second stage, which I am going to explain you. First you put the lips inside for 2 weeks. After that, whenever the lips start to get a bit crimpy, a bit chapped, just peel it off by your teeth and slowly turn your mind out of it. Like slowly you have to, it will take 2-3 months, but now I am cured from last 5 years. Whenever I think about lips is when I check the group and some people message me to please help them. I feel very bad for them because I have lived this disease and it is mentally very frustrating. I had it for 18 months and now I've been cured for 5 years. My lips still chap sometimes, but it's not like before. Earlier it was 24 hours. I was searching on Quora, I was searching on Reddit, I was searching on YouTube, Google, everywhere, and tried hundreds of lip balms from Aquaphor to so many butter, shea butter, everything I have tried, but it is not a physical disorder. First of all, you cannot cure it by putting something or on it or doing some laser therapy. There was also I was so fucked up mentally that I was trying to go to Russia for some CO2 laser therapy they do on the lips. But trust me, that's not a cure. I will be now uploading more videos because many people are really frustrated from the disease and they message me. You can, if you have any questions, you can just comment on the YouTube video which I will be uploading, and I will try to answer them on the next video which I will be uploading in 1-2 days. I will be uploading more frequently so that I can help more people. So basically the cure of the disease is to first you have to chapper off all the anything. If you have for 2 weeks, put it inside, maybe 1 week, 2 week. But earlier in the videos I was saying that that's the real cure. But now I remember the past, how I cured, and after analyzing so many people, I understand that after putting the lips back to normal, they were not healed. So now I analyze what was I missing in the cure videos, why people were not healing. So the thing I understood is that you have to let go of that mental thing of peeling and licking and biting. You have to act normal. Yes, it is a lifetime condition. I understand it is a chronic condition. Your lips will chap, your lips will get sometimes dry, but trust me, it will be you will be 99.9999% cured. Just like any another human, you will not think about lips ever again. If you don't check the group and if you just live your life, you will be normal. So what I would recommend is that after putting your lips inside like this for 2 weeks, it is just to it just for clearing the lips. The main cure is to let go of thinking about lips. As soon as peeling start, you have to just pick it off. and through the skin or swallow it, do anything. But the thing is to constantly have raw skin there. Like, don't let the peel cycle begin and let it have hair. But actually, don't google don't google anything which I am saying. Just let it happen. Let the dry skin collect little bit. The next day you peel it off. Don't wait like you have to like wait the for the peeling cycle to let it peel. Just let the lips, any dead skin you feel like you are having something, just naturally peel it off. And don't restrict yourself to, you don't have to like constantly lick your lips like this. Don't do like this. Just act normal. It will take, I let me remember, for first month I feel little dryness. Maybe I sometime applied some oil, but it's not of much use. But trust me, in 1 2 maximum 3 month, or maybe 2 month, maximum 2 or 3 month, your lips will be healed. 80 to 90% it will be healed. And soon when you start live life normally, and you will soon forget about lips if you don't let the build up the skin. I was wrong in the old videos, that's why I deleted those videos, because no one was actually healing from that method. Like that exercise, lip exercise, that was also useless. That's why I am not posting it again and again. The main cure is to like, what I did was that put it inside for 2 weeks, then it will clear off the skin, it will give you a fresh start. And then you have to like, then whenever you feel like there is some skin getting collected, just bite it off gently. Don't like pull it off like something, how normal humans pick their lips like this. Just do like this and forget. Try to minimize thinking about lips. In this healing process also try to use the group minimum. Don't check on the group. Try to forget about lips as much as you can. That's the cure. Try to forget about lips for 2 months. I am telling you from experience, it is a psychological disorder for real. Yes, the lips get chapped, it's a physical also, but it starts psychologically. For me, how it started was like I was checking on my lips and biting my lips. Then I googled it, and Google told me never to pick your lips. And then I let the lip build up. That was my biggest mistake, to let the skin build up. It was building. The it got so crunky. I may have deleted the photos, but some photos are on the Facebook groups. So if you have any doubt you can post it. But basically, in short, the cure is to forget about lips. You can, don't lick it consciously. Let the, you have to train your brain. It's actually, it will take time. Don't lick your lips consciously. Like if you, it's getting wet, don't lick it like consciously. If you have some chapping, if you have some dead skin, pull it off. Just pick the dead skin off your lips. Do it gently. That's why I tell you that do the 2 weeks process of putting the lip inside like this. So the hard crust, or if you have any big buildups, it will be removed gently. After 2 3 weeks, 2 weeks, just pick the dead skin off and move on with your life. For real, it's a very traumatic disease. Like I have suffered so many diseases, nothing is compared to EC. It is painless, but it is still pain in the brain. I'm telling you, maybe it can help, like maybe this video may help even 10% of the people, but I want to help to the community. It's very frustrating disease. No dermat has any solution to this disease. I am searching the group for so many years, 5 years I've been cured, and still I see very rare anyone get cured. And it hurts me when people, because I have suffered from this disease and I know it's a real disease. My family member don't even acknowledge that it was a disease. They thought I was some stupid who's like who's so frustrated about his lips. It is a real disease, but it is a psychological disorder. And stop. And when I'm saying psychological, don't think like any like anti-anxiety pill, antidepressant will cure it. No, you have to train your brain. You have to rewire your brain because Google has mashed it up like to not lick your lips and throw all the lip balms if you have. They are the real problem. Lip balms are the real problem. Don't ever think about lip balms. If you have any infection on the lip, maybe I can recommend Carmex for that, because once I was having some infection there due to peeling and stuff and oozing. I applied it for 3-4 days, the infection was gone. But if lip balms are not the cure, because I used to carry lip balm like 24 hours in my pocket. I used to have girlfriend and she was so frustrated because she was not frustrated, she was in love, but I applied Carmex, I applied that Vaseline total moisture healing. There was good Vaseline, pure Vaseline. Every time like she used to kiss me, it was like I used to rub my face and then rub my lips and then we used to get intimate. But I used to carry 24 hours. I applied a coating on my lips for like 24/7. Otherwise my lips will get so dry, so cranky. But I have healed and you can also heal. I'm sorry because in last few videos I was not able to get to the root. It took me so many years to get to the root also, how I cured. I got cured but I didn't know how I got cured. I was explaining to people I got cured like this, I got cured like this. But the real cure is to rewire your brain. Do exactly what I did. I did 2 weeks inside the mouth like this. And then I subconsciously trained my brain not to think about lips. If they get dry, if they get chapped, just pick it off the skin. Gently pick it off by teeth like this. Even if I am telling you about lips, my lips are starting to feeling like you have to stop talking about lips and move on with life. If you have any queries, please comment down. I am active now I will be actively replying to the comments and post new videos. Thank you guys. See you off.